In this video, you'll learn how to connect Zoho Mail to Outlook using Zapier. By the end of this guide, you will be able to automate email management between these two platforms. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Zapier homepage. Once there, look for the option labeled Zaps located in the left-hand navigation menu. Click on this option to proceed. After selecting Zaps, you will be directed to a new screen displaying your current Zaps and any templates available. In the search bar at the top, type Zoho Mail to Outlook and press enter. This will allow you to find the integration template you need. Next, once the search results appear, locate and click on the option that says Start Building to initiate the process of creating a new Zap. This action will take you to the Zap editor. Now, in the Zap editor, you will see a prompt to define a trigger for your automation. In the first field, enter the number 1 inch to indicate the first step of your automation process. This is crucial for organizing your workflow. After entering the number, look for the option labeled Zoho Mail and click on it. This selection will set Zoho Mail as your trigger application, allowing you to configure the events that will activate your Zap. Once you select Zoho Mail, you will need to click on the field labeled Trigger Event. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, choose the option labeled New Email to specify the trigger that will start your automation when a new email arrives. Following this, you will be prompted to click on the option labeled Account. This step is necessary to connect your Zoho Mail account to Zapier, allowing the service to access your emails. Once you click Account, look for and select the option that says Connect Zoho Mail. This action will initiate the authentication process where you will need to log into your Zoho Mail account and grant necessary permissions. After successfully connecting your Zoho Mail account, the next step is to find and click on Microsoft Outlook to set it as your action application. This will allow you to define what happens when the trigger event occurs. You will then click on the field labeled Action Event. This will reveal a list of possible actions that can be performed in Outlook in response to your trigger. Choose the option that states Send Email to proceed. Following this, click on the option labeled Account once again. This is required to connect your Microsoft Outlook account to Zapier, ensuring that your emails can be sent from this application as well. After selecting Account, click on the option that says Connect Microsoft Outlook. This will guide you through the authentication process for your Outlook account, similar to what you did for Zoho Mail. Once both accounts are connected, you can finalize your Zap setup, review all settings, and ensure that both the trigger and action events are configured correctly. This will ensure that your automation works as intended. After confirming all settings, click on the button labeled Turn on Zap to activate your automation. This step is essential to begin using the integration between Zoho, Mail, and Outlook. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.